All right. Yeah. Thank you guys. Welcome sa ating module, which is the order fulfillment. Okay. So order fulfillment. So ano nga ba si order fulfillment? Order fulfillment is the process of receiving, packing, shipping orders. Okay. So the process begins with the customer purchase a product and ends when they receive the products. Okay. So kay Amazon, meron tayong dalawa, most common. Okay. Two most common na fulfillment method. Okay, dito pag-uusapan natin yan. Ano ba yung pros and cons? Okay, ano ba yung mas maganda sa tingin nyo pag depende sa client nyo kung anong business model. So pwede kayong mag-suggest kung ano yung mas magiging profitable sa kanya. Okay, so let's go. Alright, so the first fulfillment, okay, ito sikat na sikat to. I'm sure nakita nyo na to sa Facebook or if ever nag-try na kayo mag job hunt for as an Amazon VA. We call this the fulfilled by Amazon or most commonly as FBA. Okay, so FBA or fulfillment by Amazon refers to a method of selling where you send product to Amazon's fulfillment centers. Okay, and they pick, pack, and ship, provide customer service for those products. So basically, ang principle nito is papadala nyo lang yung products nyo sa fulfillment center ni Amazon and then si Amazon na ang bahala. Yan. You can see pick, pack, ship, and provide customer service. Okay? So, okay? So, yan. So, that's gonna be your fulfilled by Amazon or FBA. Okay? Yan. All right. So, this is a sample. Okay? This is a perfect example ng isang Amazon fulfillment center. So, kitang-kita nyo naman. Sobrang laki niyan. So, lahat ng packaging, picking, so dyan ina-assemble sa Amazon fulfillment center. Okay? That's gonna be the FBA. The other one is we have the fulfilled by merchant or what we call the FBM. Okay? So, fulfilled by merchant, FBM refers to a method of selling where a seller lists products on Amazon but manages storage, shipping, fulfillment, and customer support independently. So parang gagawin lang natin is parang dito lang sa Pilipinas, di ba yung mga Shopee seller, mga Lazada seller. So nagpo-post sila sa Shopee, okay? Nagpo-post sila sa Lazada, pero yung inventory nila, okay, nasa kanila. Baga nasa bahay nila, nasa warehouse nila. Gagawin lang nila, sila yung, and then sila na rin yung magpapadala. Okay? Sila na rin yung sasagot sa mga customer support. Okay? Or customer inquiries. Okay? So, very, very easy. Okay? Traditional way. Pagka fulfilled by merchant or FBM. Okay? Pagka FBA, si Amazon ng lahat ng bahala. And then pag FBM, si seller or si merchant ang lahat ng bahala. Okay? Yan. Alright? And then, we do have the FBM. Yan. Sample ng FBM as you can see. Yan. So, sa kanyang stocks. So, ang gagawin niya lang is nagpapa-order siya kay Amazon. And then, lahat ng stocks is nasa kanya. So, whenever there's an order, so sila yung magpapadala or yung merchant yung magpapadala. Siya na yung bahala sa packaging and customer inquiries as well. Okay? So, yan yung ating FBM. Okay? Very easy, guys. Okay, so FBA and FBM, that's gonna be the two most commonly used na fulfillment method kay Amazon. Then let's go to pros and cons. Okay, so si FBA, andyan yung pros and cons niya, andyan si, siyempre sa pros, nandyan si effortless shipping and logistics. Okay, so siyempre wala tayong gagawin. Bahala na si Amazon dyan. Okay, bahala na si Amazon. And then we have the customer service management. Okay, customer service management. So, si Amazon na rin yung bahala as well as sa return management. Okay? So, yan yung mga common pros ni FBA. So, cons naman is nandiyan syempre, additional cost. Syempre, since bahala na si Amazon, siya na yung magbabayad. Tayo yung magbabayad kay Amazon. Okay? Amazon FBA fee, nandiyan yung mga FBA fee. Aside, syempre, nandiyan yung cost plus yung, syempre, pag may cost, nandiyan yung mga fee payment. As well as the sales tax. Yan. Yan yung mga commonly pros and cons ni FBA. Very easy. Okay? Then, the next is we do have the FBM. Pag sinabi namang FBM, andyan naman yung pros and cons as well. So, pros ni FBM, control over packaging and shipping. Since nasa atin yung inventory, nasa atin yung product. Okay? Yan. And then, lower cost. Siyempre, wala tayong babayaran kay Amazon. Okay? Yan. So, cons naman is, siyempre, manage your own inventory. And worst na cons niya is yung more time consuming. Siyempre lahat yan, ikaw mag-aasikaso. Unlike kay Amazon na sila na lahat, dito ikaw or tayo ang mag-aasikaso. Okay? Yan. Alright. So that's more likely the topic within the Amazon fulfillment. FBA and FBA, huwag niyong kakalimutan. Pagka FBA, lahat kay Amazon. Pag FBM, lahat kay merchant. Okay? Alright. Alright. So thank you guys, and I'm gonna see you on the next module. Have a good day. Bye-bye.